Trainual and Whale are two operations tools used to automate documentation. This video compares both services for growing teams. While both apps organize business, they have a very different approach to building libraries and finding answers. We analyze library building, AI, testing, and organization, plus two other key areas to see which one performs better. By the end, you will know which SOP software is right for your scaling. Building your library of processes. Trainual and Whale both help you document your business processes, but they offer different ways to get your ideas onto the screen. As of today, Trainual is well known for providing over 500 templates that you can customize to fit your business needs. These templates cover everything from hiring to daily tasks, so you do not have to start with a blank page. Trainual also uses AI-assisted documentation to help you write out your steps faster. It even has a built-in screen recorder, which is great if you need to show someone how to use a specific software on your computer. Whale takes a slightly different approach by focusing on speed and capturing work as it happens. Whale includes a tool called a step recorder. When you turn this on, it watches what you do and automatically turns those actions into a written guide. This is a huge time saver if you hate writing. Another standout feature in Whale is the video to SOP converter. If you have a video of someone doing a task, Whale can take that video and turn it into a written process for you. While both let you work together, Whale is built for speed and making work feel easy. Trainual is for those who want a perfect, organized system where every guide has a clear spot from day one. AI and finding answers quickly. Trainual and Whale both use artificial intelligence to make sure your employees can find what they need without having to ask a manager for help. In Trainual, the AI-powered knowledge search includes a Q&A feature. This means an employee can type a question into the search bar, and the system will look through all of your documentation processes to give them a direct answer. This is designed to act like a smart assistant that knows everything about your company's rules and guides. Whale has a similar AI assistant named Alice. Users often say Alice is a game changer because it makes finding information feel effortless. One important thing to note is that using Alice to answer questions does not cost you any AI tokens. In Whale, tokens are usually spent on things like creating quizzes or converting videos. But searching for knowledge is free and unlimited for your team. This makes it very easy for a growing team to use the search tool every single day without worrying about hitting a limit. Both platforms solve internal noise by giving your team instant answers. Trainual works like a formal smart assistant, while Whale's Alice offers unlimited easy searching to keep your team independent. Alright, that covers the AI capabilities for both platforms. If you already have an idea which one you would like to try, you can find my affiliate links for both Trainual and Whale in the description of this video. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now let's compare the training and accountability of Trainual and Whale. Testing and tracking your team's progress. Trainual and Whale are not just digital filing cabinets. They are training systems that help you prove your team actually knows what they're doing. Trainual handles this with a heavy focus on accountability and reporting. You can set up individual training paths for different employees so they only see the lessons they need to learn. As they go through the material, Trainual tracks their progress and gives you detailed reports on who has finished their training and who hasn't. It even has a feature for completion nudges to remind people to finish their work. Whale also uses training flows to guide people through their lessons. One of the fun parts about Whale is that it uses gamification to make learning more interesting. This includes giving out digital badges to employees when they master a new skill. Whale also uses AI to generate quizzes automatically based on the processes you have written. This saves you from having to write your own test questions. Both platforms ensure your team is trained and compliant. Trainual offers a formal approach with deep reporting and accountability, while Whale keeps things light with digital badges and automated AI quizzes. Organizing your team and roles. Trainual and Whale help you map out your entire company so everyone knows who reports to whom and what their job involves. Trainual is very strong in this area because of its roles and responsibilities builder. This tool lets you define every role in your company and list out every task that person is responsible for. It also features the delegation planner, which helps managers figure out which tasks they should keep and which ones they should give to someone else. There's also an interactive employee directory and an org chart that updates as you add people. Whale includes an org chart as well, starting on their scale plan. It allows you to set up user roles and group permissions so that people only have access to the information that matters to their departments. This keeps the workspace clean and prevents new hires from feeling overwhelmed by too much information. While Whale provides the essential tools to see your team structure, Trainual goes a step further by making the role the center of the experience. In Trainual, when you hire a new sales rep, the system already knows exactly what training and process to show them because those tasks are linked to that specific role. This level of structure is helpful for companies that are growing very fast and need to stay organized. Understanding the cost and usage limits. Trainual and Whale have different ways of charging you, and it is important to look at these small details. Whale is unique because it offers a free forever plan for up to 5 users, which is perfect for a very small business or a solo founder just starting out. Once you move to their paid plans, like the team or scale tiers, you get a set number of users, usually 10 or 25. If your team is bigger than that, you have to pay for each additional person, which usually costs between $10 and $18 per month, depending on if you pay yearly or monthly. You also have to keep an eye on your AI tokens in Whale. While searching is free, things like making quizzes use up these credits each month. Now, Trainual does not have a free version, but it offers different tiers like Core, Pro, and Premium. Instead of tokens, Trainual has limits on things like hosted video storage and e-signatures. For example, the Pro plan gives you 15 gigabytes of video storage and 300 e-signatures per year. If you need more, you have to move up to the Premium plan, which offers unlimited video and signatures. Trainual also limits how far back your version history goes. On the Core plan, it is 30 days, while the Pro plan gives you 90 days. If you need unlimited history to see every change ever made to a document, you will need the Premium version. Both companies offer enterprise plans for very large groups that need extra security and customer support. Mobile access and software connections. Trainual and Whale both know that work doesn't just happen at a desk. Both products have apps for your phone, which are useful for employees who are on the move and need to check a policy quickly. However, Whale's mobile app is not available on their free plan, so you will need to be a paying customer to use it. Trainual's app is available on all plans and works alongside their Chrome extension. When it comes to connecting with other tools, both platforms work with Slack and Zapier. Trainual has a strong focus on HRIS and payroll integrations, which helps sync your employee list automatically. Whale offers integrations with Google and OneDrive, making it easy to bring in documents you already have created elsewhere. If you have a very technical team, both platforms offer API access on their highest tiers, which lets you build out your own custom connections to other software. Both tools connect your team and stay fast as you scale. Trainual is best for payroll syncing and mobile access on every plan, while Whale focuses on Google integrations and reserves its mobile app for paying customers. So, which one should you pick? Choosing between these two comes down to what you value most. You should pick Trainual if you want a deeply structured system that focuses on job roles, accountability, and delegation. It is a great choice for companies that want a manual for every position in the building. Now, you should pick Whale if you want to get started for free or if you want to use smart tools like a step recorder to build your guides quickly without a lot of typing. So, if this video helped you make a decision, please make sure to use my link down in the description to support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.